dead, dead, and also dead. Yes, I had 3 of these and now there's only 2 left. I hadn't used my DJI Phantom 4 for about 1.5 years because I had some of my other drones, and now these batteries are completely flat. They can't be recharged. The battery management systems on batteries, on these advanced lithium batteries, they fail if you don't keep them charged. Real bugger. In fact, I had to throw out one of the DJI Mavic 2 Pro batteries as well for exactly the same reason. So one of the key things you need to do with drones, you have to keep on charging up your batteries and your controllers every 6 months. Otherwise the batteries die, like these ones here where the battery management system is actually expired. And there are YouTube videos where you can hack these batteries and pull them apart and try and reset them. I haven't gone to that extent yet. So I've only got 1 live battery left for the DJI Phantom 4. And so I've got my DJI Mavic 2 Pro and my Mavic 3 Pro here. And also my DJI Flip batteries as well. Yeah, this is a controller for that. That's a controller for the 3. That's a controller for the 2, Mavic 2. And that's a controller for the Phantom 4. Putting my PS800 iTechWorld battery Power Station into action here. For the Flip, there is no actual power plug, so you actually have to have a USB cord. So I'm finding that the iTechWorld USB outlets here is ideal for that. It also gives me an indication of how many watts are actually being drained, and so how quickly these batteries will also charge up. There you go. So iTechWorld, there'll be more videos coming out on some of the latest equipment that iTechWorld have brought out. So stay tuned on my channel. If you need anything from iTechWorld, any of their power stations, battery systems, mobile power systems, accessories, refrigerators, air conditioners, solar blankets, solar panels, it's all there at iTechWorld. And if you use the Adventure 8 discount code, you get an extra 5% discount on top of all the promotions that are running right now on their website. So check it out. Hope you can take advantage of it. And from my batteries point of view, they're all charged up now, so fully. And I mean, all these DJI batteries, they will eventually discharge themselves back to 75%, which is okay. So that at least I know that these batteries will continue to live, unlike these, which I can't recharge anymore. So that's also fully charged, and all my controllers are also fully charged as well. Looks like we've run this down completely. So we've got right down to 0%. So I'm just charging it up now from the mains power. And it looks like it will be fully charged in about just over an hour, hour and a half, which is fantastic. So the input rate now is going in at about 400 watts or thereabouts. I love getting information and understanding of what's going on, and having the display on these iTechWorld power stations is outstanding. And it's good having this unit here because it's just the right size for transport to where I need it. And obviously I can plug these things into mains, but yeah, it's convenient. And then if I am on location somewhere with my photography, then I can just carry this out to wherever it is. It's really quite easy to carry. And that can operate my lights wherever I need it. Have you had the same problem with your drones? Let me know. Comment in the video. If you know of any easy exchange system to get these either rejuvenated or without too much complexity, then let me know also. Always welcome comments. So, the solution, keep your stuff charged. If it's the first time to my channel, you haven't already subscribed, then press subscribe, press notifications, you'll be notified when the next video is out. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. That's how you support the channel. All right, this is a very quick video. Hope you enjoyed it. Cheers, bye.